Hi, I'm Jay Hersey, a member of the AcuRental team. We offer an end-to-end single platform solution for rental companies. AcuRental is built on the Acumatica Cloud ERP platform, which has earned the distinction as being the fastest growing ERP offering in the world for the past 6 years. All core business functions such as dealer sales, service, inventory purchasing, financial management are handled in this best of breed platform. With robust functionality built in to handle all of the rental needs, things such as knowing availability in a date range, having real flexible pricing and invoicing options, crewing, equipment management, and even project accounting for those that need it. Additionally, the reporting engine allows you to pull information from virtually any data element in the database, and it can be delivered to a graphical dashboard that is set up by manager if you choose, that gives real-time information into what's happening in that department or across the company, allowing you to be able to know what's important to spend your time on that day. Unparalleled visibility and control of your business is what you'll have. Appreciate you checking in. Thank you very much.